So as you can see, I've had a delivery from YouTube. This is my Silver Creators Award for hitting 100,000 subscribers on the channel. And actually I hit 100,000 subscribers on Christmas Day, which was a really nice Christmas present. And I was waiting weeks and weeks for this to appear. And when it didn't appear, I investigated further and found out actually you had to apply for the award. It didn't just come out automatically. So I did this actually just a couple of weeks ago, and it's arrived today, and feel absolutely privileged to be unboxing this on the channel today. So when I started my channel, I had no expectations that I would hit 100,000 subscribers. I'm just a guy building PCs in his spare time, having fun doing it, checking out lots of really cool hardware. And I've been absolutely surprised with just how well things have gone and how the channel has really taken off. And that is thanks to each and every one of you who has taken the time to hit that subscribe button, to like the videos as I've produced them, and interact with me in the comments over the year. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you, because you guys are the reason I've been in the position where I can unbox this award today. So what's next on the channel? Well, I'm just sitting down to film my 2026 Beginner's Guide to Building a PC, a video I absolutely love producing every year. So if you are a subscriber, hopefully you'll be enjoying this on the channel in the next couple of weeks. I'd just like to finish by once again saying thanks to each and every one of you who has subscribed and put me in a position where I can be unboxing this today.